Hi everyone and welcome to Focus. Focus is the center workouts that you're going to be doing today for the rest of the week. It is focus because you're going to be focusing on your balance. So it's a center work where you're going to be working on balance, stretches, jumps and anything to use your core, coordination, arms, everything that you can think of. Always been a beautiful ballerina, but in the zone. So find space and let's do it. Side to side. Again, feel the twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, bounce. Change it around. 1, 6, 7, 8. To the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change around and 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Arms down and 1, 2, 3, 4. Arms up. 1. Go front, back, front, back, front, back, front, front, back, front, back, front, back, and change front, back, back, front, back. Get the hang of it. And change 1. Last time. And second. One more to catch your breath. To the side. Ready for arms?